This is the Draper Micrometer adjustment torque wrench, part number 30357. Sorry, stock number 30357 and part number 3001A. And this has been purchased from Amazon today. It's in a sealed wrapper, which I'm now going to open and see what this is like. So I'll do this very carefully. I don't actually want to damage the box at all, so I've just nipped it in the corner there. I'm not going to worry about this because that's definitely going to be just rubbish. I want to keep the box nice. So okay, we've got a nice sturdy box. Actually, it's not bad. Two clips on the side there. Opens up. Okay, so that's what it looks like in there. Some instructions in English. Some information on how to set it up, and the torque wrench itself in a plastic container. Yeah, so looks pretty good so far. There's a micrometer adjuster on here, which I need to read the instructions as to how to use that, but it looks pretty good. It's got a reverse ratchet and it's a 1/2 inch socket. Okay, I'll probably do some more on that later. Looks pretty good though.